Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start numericals of class 9th, chapter number 3, laws of motion. So the very first numerical is a body of mass m kg is moving with velocity 2 meter per second. Calculate its linear momentum. So that means first of all we will write what we have given. We are given with mass 5 kg. क्लियर, एक बॉडी है जिसका मास 5 kg गिवन है, इज मूविंग विद वेलोसिटी 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड और वो 2 मीटर पर सेकेंड की वेलोसिटी से मूव कर रही है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्टूडेंट राइट व्हाट यू हैव गिवन एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज राइट डाउन व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. Calculate its linear momentum. That means we have to find its linear momentum. Linear momentum. And we all know the formula of linear momentum is in term of mass and velocity. Linear momentum is equal to mass into velocity. That means product of mass and velocity, and mass is given 5 kg, velocity is given 2 meter per second. 5 into 2 10. So the answer is 10. And whether we have written 10 as it is, no, we have to given its units. That's very important. So units are kg meter per second. How it can be written? See students, mass is in kg, so we write kg, and velocity is given in meter per second, so we have write down meter per second. Clear? So don't cram the units. Define the units from this expression for every numerical. Clear? Now the second one. Second is the linear momentum of ball of mass 50 gram is 0.5 kg meter per second. Find its velocity. In this numerical, the linear momentum of ball given है हमें 0.5 kg meter per second. Mass given है ball का 50 gram and find its velocity. It means फिर से ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई होगा. क्लियर? सो द मास इज 50 ग्राम एंड लीनियर मोमेंटम इज इक्वल टू 0.5 kg meter per second. And we have to find the velocity. Now see students, mass is given in gram but linear momentum is given in 0.5 kg meter per second. We have to make it into kilogram. That means convert gram into kilogram, so that unit must be similar. That's very important. Units must be similar. Clear? 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. You all know 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 gram. That means 50 gram is equal to 50 by 1000 gram, or we can written as 0.05 kilogram. Now apply the formula. Linear momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Mass is 0.05 into velocity. We have to find out. Linear momentum is 0.5. Clear? Now divide 0.05 and you will get your velocity. Clear? When you divide 0.5 divided by 0.05, then you will get velocity is equal to 10 meter per second. That's your answer. Third one is a force of 15 Newton act on a body. 15 न्यूटन की फोर्स किसी बॉडी पर लग रही है ऑफ मास 2 kg, जिसका मास गिवन है 2 kg. Calculate the acceleration. That means we have to find out acceleration and we are given with force and mass. Students, you can watch math videos also on this channel, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any kind of doubt you can comment. Force is equal to 15 Newton. Mass is equal to 2 kg. We have to find acceleration. So now apply the formula of mass in term of formula of force in term of mass and acceleration. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Put the value of mass. Mass is 2 and we have to find acceleration. That will remain at is it. Force is 15. 15 divided by 2. That will be your acceleration. So when you divide 15 by 2, you will get 7.5 acceleration. Now what about the units? Units are very important, as I told already to you. So let's see. Units will be meter per second square. Clear? Now the force. A force of 10 Newton acts on a body of mass 5 kg. Find the acceleration produced. The both numericals are similar, student. We have given force and mass, and you have to find the acceleration. So apply this formula. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Put the value of force here 10 and mass is 5. 10 divided by 5, 2 आंसर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, मैंने आपको रफली बता दिया, फिर भी मैं आपको बता देती हूँ शॉर्टकट में. जैसे फोर्स हमें 15 गिवन है, ठीक है, तो फोर्स वाले क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या गिवन है, फोर्स 10 गिवन है और मास आपको 5 गिवन है, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड एक्सेलेरेशन. 10 divided by 5 is equal to acceleration. You will get acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second. That's why I said to you both numericals are same. Clear? Now the fifth one. Calculate magnitude of force which when applied on a body of mass 0.5 kilogram produce an acceleration 5 meter per second square. Calculate the force. That means we have to calculate the force. Clear? Which when apply on a body, जो कि बॉडी पर अप्लाई होती है, जिसका मास है 0.5 किलोग्राम, प्रोड्यूस करती है एक्सेलेरेशन 5 मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर in that body. Now first of all write down what you have given. Mass is equal to 0.5 kilogram. Acceleration is equal to 5 meter per square. You have to find the force. Force find करनी है हमें. Force is equal to similar formula this one, mass into acceleration. We can written mass m and acceleration small m. Mass is 0.5, acceleration is 5. Now solve it. 5 by 10 into 5. 5 का 25. 25 by 10. 25 by 10, you will get 2.5 Newton, your force. Clear, student? सिंपली आप यहाँ पर भी कर सकते सेम, 5 5 का 25 और आपका आंसर जो है डेसिमल के बाद 2.5 आना था। ठीक है, जिसको जैसे अच्छा लगता है वो वैसे कर सकता है। मैंने यहाँ से पॉइंट हटा लिया। ठीक है, फिर 5 5 का 25 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 एंड यू गेट योर फोर्स 2.5 न्यूटन। So in this video student we have completed 1 to 5 numerical, and in next video we will complete rest of numericals. So please like, share and subscribe my channel for the next math and science related videos. Thank you so much.